Hey guys, in today's video we are going to do a really quick and simple DIY for my powder room. I'm also going to share a really small haul with you guys, and then we're going to take these things upstairs and decorate the powder room. Okay, for the DIY, I have a frame here, and it is a two-sided glass frame. I'm not exactly sure what you call it, but you can get something like this at Hobby Lobby. And so it will show glass on both sides, and I'll show you in a minute. It'll make a little more sense. And so I have a scrapbook page, and I have some feathers. Now these feathers are just regular brown feathers. Let me see one like this. And I used this for another project, and I had already spray painted them green and gold, and so for this project I'm going to spray paint them silver. What I'm going to do is paint the frame in a gray, and then I'm going to take the scrapbook paper and place the feathers on top after I spray paint them, and then I will place this glass on the front side and on the back. Okay guys, so my frame is painted. It's in a light gray with a little brown wash. Just randomly done. And then here are my feathers. Now I spray painted them in a solid gray, and then I sprayed a little silver and then a little gold on top, very lightly. I think they turned out pretty. Let me turn it over, and then I will place my first piece of glass down first. Okay, so next I'm going to take the feathers, and I'm going to put the feathers in right side down, this side down on top of the glass. Okay, so now I'm going to put the scrapbook paper on top. Okay, so now I'm going to place my second piece of glass on top. Okay, that went in pretty well. And then there is another piece of frame that holds it in place. Okay, so now let's start the haul. Okay, so in a recent video, I had shared that I wanted to add darker grays to my color palette, as well as warm it up a bit. And these are some of the colors that I will be bringing in for fall. I'm going to bring the fall in by color, using more colors of nature, and of course with a little bling, and darker, warmer grays. So I went to Homegoods to find an art piece to go in the powder room refresh, and on my way to the picture aisle I ran across this soap dispenser and tray. So I thought this dispenser and tray was pretty unique. I had been looking for something in a marble, but I just was not having any luck with the marble. So today when I went in and I saw this tray, I really liked the way that that it was colored, the two-tone. It just looked really different to me. I thought this would really be a good complement to my fall decor. Next thing that I saw was this lemon verbena soap. It had the warm tones, and it's very similar to some of the other tones that I will be using in the powder room, so I thought it would be a nice complement. I may put it on the little side table in the powder room or on the back of the toilet lid. I don't know, but I thought it was pretty and I thought it would fit in with what I'm doing. I picked that up and it was $4.99. Not a bad price. So, still haven't made it over to the picture section yet. You guys know when I go in Homegoods, I have to look at candles, and so I stopped in the candle aisle and I saw this container. And the fragrance is not too bad. The fragrance is patchouli and evergreen smoke. Okay, so this next candle is sandalwood myrrh. A very nice scent. It's kind of subtle. I like to have scents that are more kind of found in nature. So I like things with different plants, not so much flowers, but evergreens and things like that. So I thought this was perfect for the fall. That's it for the small items. It was a quick run to Homegoods, like I said before, and so what I really went in there for was for the art. So let me show you what I found. Okay, so this art piece is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something with texture. I wanted a variation of warm colors, the browns, the charcoals, a little bit of the bronze, and I just thought this was perfect. It reminds me of like sand. I just thought it was perfect with all the colors, and so this is going in my powder room for now, but I have a feeling that it won't stay there. We'll see. Very pretty. So now let's go upstairs and put these things in the room.